Next up, No One Left Behind for Phalanx. In this, we need to rescue 2 hostages in the same deployment. So you'll complete a hostage rescue contract and not exfil. Then with the second one, you either can exfil or just leave it. Anyways, you need to complete 2 rescue hostage missions. That's it. Very simple. You can do this on practically any map, though Al Mazrah has far more of these opportunities than any other map. As you can see on Al Mazrah, there's 1, 2, 3 hostage missions and probably a bunch more, though you'll definitely need to get them onto vehicles to travel around a lot faster. Right, so let's quickly rescue 2 hostages in the same deployment. We'll pick up a contract here. Now we'll head across to wherever the hostage is being held. There we go. So we'll disarm the hostage here and take them away. So we'll grab them and help them out. Obviously, we have a short distance to run. So first of all, we'll head to the exfil helo here. Then we'll drop our friend off inside and continue. We'll leave him there and continue to the next place. Looking for the next hostage rescue mission, we'll get our way over there and do it one more time. Right, so we'll quickly grab the second contract in here. So we'll quickly free this man from here. So finding him just in the nick of time, we'll save him quickly and take him to the exfil helo. Now, of course, there are some players in the area, so we can hopefully exfil before they start coming for us. They've probably already seen the bird and they're on their way. Hopefully we can get out just before them. We've done the first one and now we've successfully done the second one. So let's get out of here and that should be the mission complete. You don't need to not leave with the second hostage. You can comfortably go with them, making it a great extract option. Sweet. There we go. No man left behind. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.